Hi, my name is Allison, and this is Gustav. Together we're going to show you 3 quick exercises, movements that you can do if your neck feels a little wonky or out of sorts, or you have some misalignment with the discs in your neck. Here we go. The first thing is to lie down. I have a yoga block under my head. I'm going to push the back of the head into the block so the shoulder blades lift off the floor. And then take the head side to side to side. Here comes sweet Gustav to help us with this. As you're rolling your head, make sure you're not sliding your head side to side. This should feel good. And don't forget to breathe. When you come out, roll to your side, push up to seated. Awesome. So the second thing is we want to decompress the neck. So a forward fold is really nice to help do that. You want to focus on your ribs touching your thighs, your weight in the heels, and breathing in and out of your nose and just letting your head kind of fall toward the floor, your neck relax toward the floor. Take long, smooth breaths. And to enhance this, turn your head side to side. This helps kind of realign some of the vertebrae in the neck. You can also put a little pressure in your hands with your elbows bending towards your legs, kind of instead of winging out to the side. But that also helps with added decompression. And if that's going well and you're up for it, a handstand on the wall is really an ace here. Again, letting the head relax toward the floor rather than looking at the floor and turning the head side to side, just letting those vertebrae decompress and reset. And you can always stick with that forward fold instead of a handstand. One of the other things is these masseter muscles get really tight. Recently I had my atlas, the first vertebrae, likes to do this little spin. But by giving these muscles consistent, deep massage, it helped realign that vertebra. And you wouldn't think about that, right? You wouldn't think that just massaging the masseter muscles would do the trick, but it really helps. Last but not least, Gustav wants to give you a high five. And so do I. My name is Allison. Hit subscribe and stay tuned, and I'll see you soon.